Hey, what's up you guys? It's Taikina Beauty, and I'm here to announce the giveaway winner. This is going to be the last tutorial on one of the palettes you're winning, and that is the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. I've worn this bad boy out. I love this palette. I can't wait to give this away. Disclaimer, someone asked in my last video if I was giving away the palettes I am using. Unfortunately, that is unsanitary and I would not. But what I will be doing is buying it for you, and it's going to get sent to you. It'll be fresh, not touched, new in the box, fresh. So definitely thank you guys for entering in. I had over hundreds of people join and enter in, which is awesome, more than I expected, and that just means so much to me. So I do appreciate that, you guys. Definitely you guys have been interactive and I'm grateful for it, and it makes me want to continue to keep giving back and just being interactive with you guys. So this won't be the only giveaway I will be having. I'm going to try to keep being consistent with them. Give me ideas on things. I think I want to do maybe a hair care giveaway or skincare, and I think that definitely would be something fun to do. But I'm going to keep creating content for you guys, just coming back out with more reviews, more favorites, and more things to venture into. Hair, skin, definitely. We're going to do it. We're going to learn this journey together. Pretty excited. Glad you guys participated. It means a lot. Don't stop. I might do an Instagram giveaway, so definitely look out for these things you're gonna see coming up. Super excited on this YouTube journey. It's been amazing so far, so definitely come back for more. But yes, I am doing my last video, a tutorial plus the giveaway announcer, and I'm gonna do this on a green smoke. I've been into like the smoky feeling, and I definitely want to play around with Marsh because I haven't in this palette, and I wanted to challenge myself. Whenever I get a new eyeshadow palette, I definitely want to try every color out. I notice sometimes if I get a palette, and it helps you like understand, okay, you know what you like and what you're used to, and like find things that you don't know yet so you can explore it and learn, and you know, be able to enhance the art of makeup. That's what I'm learning. So definitely, I haven't done too much with Marsh, so I definitely think I should. I've filter out. Been playing around more with Pigeon a lot. Jam is it's good for a lot of things, but I haven't either. So I definitely want to do more with the colors I haven't been playing with. So I think that's what this video is going to be about, just to help you with funky colors if you don't have that niche, and how to easily blend them and not over blend them. Just definitely one of those videos. But I thank you guys so much for participating in my video. Now stay tuned for this green smoke. If you like this look, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Wish I had music playing, that would be so much fun. And that was Boot. Funny story about Boot, the eyeshadow, when you look at it from here, it probably looks like just a black eyeshadow, but when you get closer to it, it has like these cool navy blue, dark, sparkly, purpley blue sparkles, and it's just like, oh, it's like a navy blue. It's so cute. And as a child, I had the Mary-Kate and Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen line that was at Walmart, and they had this like rain jacket and rain pants and boots, and it was like this dark blue, and I had that one. My sister had the matching purple one that was sparkly. It was like high purple, like a Prince purple, a grape purple, yeah, but it was sparkly, but mine was like this color, boot, and it was like, it looked black from afar, but when you got close, you could see the shiny and the sparkles, and it was like really cool, so yeah. So I just went over with boot, just over the eyelid, and I'm gonna like try to do some kind of funky thing with this, so I'm excited to try this out. So I'm going in with a blending brush, and I'm gonna put mud, and I might mix it with jam. These colors are really funky, but you got
So when we add jam, aka the orange shadow, we're gonna put it carelessly because it looks better that way. That yellow shadow was called mustard, and we're just basically blending the eyeshadow look with mustard just to soften everything. It looks very beautiful when you blend, when you make this combination together. So what we're doing next is taking boot and just dotting it in the center of the under lash line just to make it pop, because we're going to put a lighter color outside of that color. Now we first mix Fly and Marsh together and put that on the outside of the lash line just to make the boot pop down there in the center. I like the way that looks. Then as you can see, I still mixed Marsh and Fly and just put it in the surrounding areas. I like this eye look because it looks very abstract.
This is like giving me hippie vibes.
I do not know about y'all, but I'm so happy I blended that out. I feel satisfied with the eye look, so I'm gonna go ahead and end with mascara. To get a really good foundation look, I'm going to put powder on first. I believe this works better before putting on your foundation. You guys should try this hack. I am still only lightly adding foundation using the Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the color 300. It's still hot outside, so I just feel like there's no need to be full coverage. And how I do that is just lightly add the foundation on and spray from there. This eye look looks amazing. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys are as well. Now, if you want to go for a very intense highlight, I always recommend putting a liquid highlight on top first, then going on with a powder highlight.
Thank you for entering in my giveaway. Look out for my next giveaway. That will be soon. And look out for my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can tell when there's gonna be giveaways. Because it's like you can never win. But thank you guys so much for entering in. Your comments were great. I love reading every one of you guys's. It just definitely put me in a good mood. Makeup is truly diverse. It's everything. It's definitely been there for a lot of people, so it's really cool hearing you guys' stories. Very touching. I'm just in a rush because I have to go places. Okay. But here we have it. Hey, look. I really like it. I think it's fun. Very abstract and different. It really is a vibe, but I like it. So now for what everybody's been waiting for, the giveaway winner. So this was really hard. I got over hundreds of comments in the videos and I saw many great ones, but I chose the one I thought in my best ability that met the requirements and that I felt like definitely connected with me the most. But not saying you guys didn't have great answers. Everybody did. It's really hard for me to decide. That's why this video is a day late, but it's still coming out. But that doesn't mean there won't be any other giveaways because you guys were awesome. So keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. But I am announcing the giveaway winner to, can I get a drum roll?
Young Volcano! Congrats! They said, hey Taikina, I love your name, OMG, but I love makeup because as you said, it truly is an art form. It gives girls, and even guys now, the ability to be able to express themselves, and if not for expression, simply just to feel better about themselves. Now I know makeup isn't what makes someone prettier, but it certainly does have the power to make someone feel prettier, and that's definitely what it does for me. As someone who struggled deeply with insecurities, especially within my face, makeup has really given me the ability to own some of my insecurities and really make the best out of them. There's always something new you can do to your face every day, and that's fun. That's the fun of it. You never have to stay in the same realm, and I love the thought of everyone just having their own way with makeup and their techniques, their own preferred tones and eye look. It is truly a whole world and is able to be manipulated by everyone in it.
You won! So I'm going to DM you on Instagram and we go from there and just figure it out so we can get all of your products sent to you. Definitely reach me back, and I will go into further details of how you won and what you will be getting today. And you have to choose your options. So, but there will be more giveaways, so don't, you know, back away from this one. There will be more. Anyone can win. There will be more than one time, so this isn't a one-time thing. Thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this look, and give me suggestions. Definitely keep interacting and look out for more videos that will have giveaways so you can win. Like, there's no way you can't win. See you guys later. Bye. Peace, love, and freaking happiness.